Alright, Cole, you can jump 855 feet from the stratosphere. Are you feeling excited, nervous? How you feeling?
Alright, if anything happens to me, or if I die, I want this broadcast.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh!
Hey, Cole? Cole? Are you ready? Cole!
What?
Are you not ready yet?
Ready for what?
We go to Vegas in 2 hours.
Is that today?
Yes. Are you even packed, Cole?
I'm not packed yet, no. So we're in the terminal right now. I just recorded the whole thing, but Aaron didn't hit the start button on the camera. Thanks, bud. You're welcome.
We're in, my brother.
You know, some days you just wake up and you think, I'm sick of this muggy, disgusting, humid Texas weather. And that's okay. You know, and your girlfriend's family offers to take you to Vegas, and you take them up on it.
I'm gonna have to voice these after the flight. All these lines are recorded on my computer.
It's no secret that I do not like traveling, especially through the airport. I have a very checkered past with the TSA.
And so I turn around, and she's holding up my tea tree hair wax. This is too big. I can't let it through. And then just throws it in the trash, right in front of me.
I don't enjoy waiting in lines for 30 fucking minutes, taking off all of my shoes and pants and belt and having to put everything back on. You have to wait in a line with a bunch of sweaty, greasy people as you get onto the plane. It takes you half an hour to get to your seat and half an hour for the plane to take off. I could complain about it all day. But that's not what this video is about, so let's just cut to after the plane.
We made it. We're in Los Angeles. I need to find somewhere prominent and then pee on it to establish property.
What are you doing? Last time we came to Las Vegas, there was a group of Asians. It was this huge group, and they had like a stick with the flag so no one would get lost. So just follow the stick.
Welcome to Vegas, baby!
This summer, Gordon Ramsay is steak.
What is this supposed to mean? It's just steak. Gordon Ramsay steak.
What if I just shit on this elevator?
Look, there he is again. Aaron. Look. Hamburger.
So, for whatever reason, Fabiola's family prefers to travel in the afternoon, probably for cost, which means by the time we'd arrived, it was almost dinner time. So we explored the hotel a little bit, checked out some casino stuff, and got dinner. The real action didn't start until the next day. Except for this, actually. Check out this cute little piano rivalry restaurant. Basically, two guys play pianos and they compete. It was really cute, and I couldn't tell if the guy was approving or angry that I was videoing him. He just pointed at me.
It's currently day 2 in Las Vegas. 2 plans for today. We're gonna go to 7 Magic Mountains, and then I'm gonna jump off the Stratosphere. They let you jump off of the Stratosphere Hotel. They like rig you up with a bungee jump and all that. So I need to do that. Gordon Ramsay steak. Tell us about 7 Magic Mountains. What's the deal?
So it's a desert art installation in Las Vegas, 20 minutes from the Strip. And they're basically 7 colored boulders that are 35 feet high. And it's not going to be there forever.
Caesar's Palace seriously takes my breath away. That place is so big.
It's going to take your breath away when you go in from the other side. It's got a whole garden.
Dude, it looks like the Valkyrie palaces from the Aether.
We're here. Look at them.
Not quite sure who put these here, but I bet the History Channel knows.
Bunch of influencers.
The artist like arranged these in a way so like with every different perspective it would be completely different, but when you look at it right on from far away they look like they're right next to each other, but they're not if you go up close to kind of zigzag within each other.
Could you get a
Yes.
video of me pissing on one of them?
Okay.
Okay.
For real?
Run, boy!
Just like the simulation.
So we ate, we're all set. Now it's time to take the jump. This is totally up my alley. This is neat. 800 feet. 855. Sorry, 800.5 feet. This is an important part of the video. Alright, if anything happens to me, or if I die, I want this broadcast with Ram Ranch in the background. I want a tribute video in slow motion. This will be going 60 frames per second. You have to do that for me. Alright? Look at this jumpsuit. My name is Cole Perrine.
Alright, Cole, you can jump 855 feet from the stratosphere. Are you feeling excited, nervous? How you feeling?
I'm pretty excited.
Do you want to give a message or a shout out?
Shout out to the boy, Patrick, fired me. And now I'm here in Vegas. Look at me. I'm living it up.
Alright, we'll say, any more last words before we jump off?
Name it Jeff. Alright, let's do it. Here I go.
Bye.
Goodbye forever, YouTube.
No, stop. Good luck. I thought she said 3.
You're on. Take
All
one.
right.
Chill out.
Hello, everybody.
Camera, turn it around. Show everybody the view.
We're really out here.
Hands at the end where it's red. Toes on the yellow. Wait there. We're good. Here he comes. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh! Oh, shit! Yeah!
Oh my god! Oh, go Cole! Woo!
18 naked cowboys in the showers at Ram Ranch.
Any last words for your camera?
Any last words for my camera? I didn't poop. I came, I conquered the fucking sky, and only peed a little bit. That was fucking cool, dude. So, being up there, I tried to take the specs, but they wouldn't let me. But I was basically sky high, just weightlessness. Because for pretty much the whole duration, they're basically dropping you. So I jumped and I just felt my own weight just gliding down, dude. It was so high up, all the little cars looked like little matchboxes. When I first looked down, I couldn't even see where I was supposed to land. I saw like a pool in a parking lot, and it was way down there. I looked over at the building, just shooting up behind me. Dude, that was so fucking cool. That was so cool. And it's half price if I want to do it again. I can almost guarantee I'll be doing it again by the end of this trip. Assuming I get paid first. Come out of that box and face me, coward.
Gordon Ramsay burger! Wow, our final full day in Vegas, and the weather's beautiful. It was so beautiful, in fact, that Blake actually came out of the hotel room where he had been hiding for the entire trip.
Hi vlog, it's me, Blake Perrine. You know, I am having just an excellent time in Las Vegas.
What is this, Fabiola?
The Bellagio hotels, it's the water that's in front of it, or they have the fountain shows.
It was time for a bit of sightseeing, starting with some of the prettier hotels on the strip. The Bellagio had these beautiful flowers, just like as a theme. They had a garden, fountains, this one really creepy horse. It was really beautiful, and it felt very natural.
I don't like that at all.
My son,
Yes, Papa?
can you hear me, my son?
Yes, Papa.
You must troll the libtard, son.
It will be done. You know, you might be thinking to yourself, Cole, did you just get a $10 bottle of Fiji water? And the answer is yes. Under ordinary circumstances, I agree. It's outrageous. The pricing is wrong. But look where we are. This is Vegas, baby, okay? This is the Bering Strait of society. Just how the Native Americans crossed hundreds of thousands of years ago when the Bering Strait was above water into America. This is my crossover. I'm stepping from a lowly peasant to the top class, to the 1%. And that's what this Fiji water represents, okay? When you're in Vegas, you gotta go big, baby, all right? And one day you're gonna be sitting down and you're gonna think, why didn't I take that chance? Why didn't I hop on the Fiji water train, huh? This is your warning. Step up, bitch.
Liberals, am I right?
Not bad.
Do they have the red hats?
Actually, I'm kind of sad that there aren't any red hats.
I know, I was expecting there to be.
Take a look. We got solid gold fidget spinner. Look at that. Have you ever seen a better fidget spinner? You haven't. Probably the best. Doesn't say Trump.
I mean,
Oh yeah. Is it good or bad? Does it have to say Trump? Otherwise, it's not a real souvenir, is it?
Exactly. Our kids are little speak Keatings, so
They won't speak anything that says Trump on it. What? What are you doing? Okay.
Oh my god. He was here the whole time. Steak, pub and grill, burger, fish and chips. He's all of them. This dude is everywhere. Hell's Kitchen, baby.
Welcome to Hell's Kitchen, I'm Gordon Ramsay. And if you didn't know that, well, wakey, wakey. Do you enjoy delicious food? Do you like a great atmosphere? If the answer's no, then do me a favour. Piss off. Welcome to Hell's Kitchen here at the amazing Caesar Palace. Enjoy.
He's gone. Oh my god. He's at the end of the hallway. He's just looking at you condescendingly on your way to piss. He looks like Thanos from this angle.
These cups are right on point.
Shut up! Leave me alone!
I'm gonna jump in, okay?
Do it.
Ah, fuck, it's hot!
I don't know how I feel about this one. I don't know how I feel about Lolly and Pops. Oh, yep. Just as I suspected. We spent the rest of our last day just walking around, window shopping, checking out some more hotels. The last one we visited was the Venetian, which is just really cool and beautiful, and it really just makes me think about this architecture. It's huge. There was an entire canal inside the hotel running up and down. You could rent a gondola. It's just stunning and beautiful, but it got me thinking about what the trip was really for. I want to say it was a good break from YouTube and all that, because I've been going really hard on it lately, but it really wasn't. I was filming the whole time thinking about, here's some bits, here's something that might be funny to do. I mean, I still had a good time, don't get me wrong, but the more I think about it, the more I realize that I just need to give this shit up. Like, not YouTube in general, but I need to quit uploading so frequently. I've been trying lately to post consistently every week, come up with a video idea, and at the end of it, every single time I try this, I sit down and I think, I'm only really happy with maybe half of these videos. Making content is tough. I have incredibly high standards for myself, and when I don't meet them, it just hurts me further, deep down. And I think this trip made me realize that maybe I need to give a little bit more energy to life. I think it's time for me to take a break and go back to just making videos when I feel like it. I mean, I'm a person too. I'm a human being. I'm gonna go back to posting whenever I want after this video. I hope you guys feel appreciated. Sometimes I tend to complain. In the end, I do appreciate you guys that stick around. So, here's to that. Thanks for watching. If you haven't been to Vegas, check it out. That's gonna be it. See ya. And to end off this wonderful stay in Vegas, one final adventure. Yes!
Dad?